Ano ba yung tawag nun? She has a gold heart. Hindi naman pwede meron ng golden egg, hindi naman pwede matawag na golden hewa. She has a golden heart. Yes, my friend Miharba, can you please connect to the link that I pin, the channel name that I pin? She's from Japan. Andrea Bernice, hello. Welcome to my live. Miharba the storm, what is that? Why are you laughing? I don't understand that. I will Google it so that I will understand. Why you are laughing, huh? You are laughing, huh? Oy, my friend. What is that? Dostom. What is that dostom, eh? I will Google it. Ikahan, Google ko muna tong ano sinabi ni ano eh. Dostom. Yeah, my friend. Dostom is my friend. Thank you so much. Miharba Dostom. Miharba Dostom is my friend. I thought it's a negative name. Police dog ni Milan. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to my live. Guys, please connect to the channel name that I pin. She has a golden heart. Nagpalipad siya sa akin, guys. You have to greet here Merry Christmas and Happy New Year also. Ali Vlog in Zeron. Hello, hello. Guys, don't forget to connect to the channel that I pin so that you will experience also a blessing from here. Hello, sis Lynn Italy. O, kain ako kasi mas maraming views ako pag magmukbang ako while having a live. Thank you all vlog in Zyron. Thank you so much for the sub. I will connect to you tomorrow. Mega las shout out to all Yahoo. Good morning to all Kabsat Yahoo. Oy, Len Atali. Si Angel Hana Official nagpalipad sa akin. I-greet mo siya ng Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ewan ko na. Nag-message sa Facebook ko, samantalang busy ako sa live mo. Hindi ko napansin, nag-live na pala siya. Hala, naging 5 na. What is that? All in Zyron. Ano yung pangalan mo o lugar? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Lynn Italy. Ano, nagtambay lang ako sa frame no, na-play mo na yung ano ko. Mylene Agron. Hindi ako active sa Facebook home. Nasa Messenger lang ako. Broken hearted ako kay Facebook. Ay, kay Mita pala. Ako, delikado ako. Nagbanggit ako ng pangalan. Hello, Bronquito Channel. Please connect to Angel Hana Official. She's from Japan. She has a golden heart. Nagpalipad siya sa akin. Basta i-greet niya siya ng Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Magpalipad siya. Believe me. Ha? Andun siya? Ay, naka-live ako. Saglit ah. All vlog in Zyron. Thank you so much. Lagay sa 30 minutes lang ako mag-live. Oy guys, don't forget to connect